Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. I hope the same from your side. You might have heard some people telling that life is boring. Yeah? I'm just passing time. Is it like that? No. Life is very, very interesting. And we can make the life interesting. Then, what is the way? How you can make it interesting? Let us talk about that. Now, if you are in the school, if you are in the college, if you are working somewhere else, now tell me whether the process of learning or working, is it interesting or is it boring? If it is boring, you have to make it interesting. If it is interesting, no problem at all. You have to continue with that. You can make it more interesting. Okay, if it is boring, then there are two ways how to make it interesting. First thing is present moment oriented. You are knowing usually what happens. Our mind wanders here and all there. Am I right? We talk about yesterday, last year, we tell what I will do in future and all these things. So where our focus is not on the present things. We are talking about past or future. Then what we should make? We should make the life present oriented. We should start living in the present. Don't think about the past. Don't think about the future. Only talk about the present, live in the present, enjoy the present. Whatever you are doing, if you are working in the office or if you are studying in the school, college, whatever, focus completely on what you are doing. Your complete focus should be on the present moment. Do it well. Whatever you are doing, do it well. Then what happens? In the beginning, you may think that it is my duty, so I have to do. Doesn't matter. And once you are used to live in the present, you will see that you will find it interesting. And tell yourself that today I am doing something new. I am learning something new. Let me understand this. So, when you do like this, our life becomes more interesting and more effective. And if you don't live in the present, what happens? I will tell you the story of a boy. The story runs like that. When he was young, he used to tell, okay, when I grow up, when I go to the college, I will do this and that. He went to the college. When he went to the college, he said, okay, when I get a job, I will do this and that. Okay, he got a job. Then he told, no, when I get married, I will do this and that. He got married. Then he told, when I get the kids, I will do this and that. He got the kids. Then he told, now the kids are small. Let them grow up. Let them settle down. Then I will do this and that. His children grew up. They settled down. Then he said, okay, anyhow, now I have wasted such a lot of time. When I retire, I will do this and that. Okay, he retired. When he retired, he had BP, he had sugar and so many diseases. He was not able to eat what he liked. He was not able to go where he liked. So his life was over. Then he thought, oh, I should have done it then. So think that even in your life, the word if should not come. If, there is no place for the word if. Whatever I feel like doing, I will do it now. So life will be interesting when we use the present. You feel like eating something, go eat it, enjoy it. That is life. If you feel like playing in the evening, go play in the evening. You will feel the life is so interesting. So life is interesting. It is not at all boring. When you feel it boring, when you keep on postponing, when you are not bothered about the present, then only it is boring. So don't make the present boring. It is not at all boring, I tell you. Life is not at all a boredom. It is interesting. You are having new things. And at least if you keep on learning something new, it becomes more interesting. So keep on learning something new. Let it be new languages, let it be new skills, let it be new technology, let it be if you are interested in science, whatever subjects you are interested. Keep on learning new things. The life is interesting. We feel that, oh, your life is so short. I was a small girl very recently. Then I started working, I got married, I had the kids, everything over. Now I am becoming old. Oh, life passed so fast. We feel like that. Why? Because life is so interesting. I want to do so many other things, new things. I want to learn so many things. So, life is not at all a boredom. Never feel that it is boredom. It is very interesting. But it depends on you. It depends on you whether to make the life interesting or boredom. There are so many books in the life to read. Many times I feel my life is very short. I won't be able to read all the books. So have some passion in your life, whatever, let it be reading, writing, going and watching the places, new places you go and watch, meet the people there, see how happy you feel when you feel the mentality of the people. And when you go to far away places, you meet people from your place, those who have gone there and settled down. And when they come and speak to you, you feel the life is so interesting. When we had been to Himalayas, we met some people from my place who had been there and who are working there. Means those students we met, their parents had settled down there. These students, they are able to speak our language, but they can't read and write because they are educated there. So life is so interesting and you feel that the life is so short. I want to go to so many places, enjoy there, visit there, but the life is so short. So life is interesting. It depends on us whether to make it interesting or boring. I feel that we should make the life interesting. Be interested, be active, be busy throughout. See that life is very, very interesting. Have a good day.